How to sell on Etsy. How to sell paintings on Etsy. Example, mistakes in the title. With you, Svetlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop, how to sell crafts. Hi guys. How to sell paintings on Etsy. What title is wrong for oil painting? What are mistakes in the title Etsy listing that lower your listing in the search and make your product invisible to buyers? Example, the master sells oil paintings. I underline oil paintings. Look at the screenshot. She wrote, a bright, beautiful handmade painting for the kitchen. Aster flowers in vase, apples and grapes, Halloween and Thanksgiving gift. What do you see now? Nothing about oil paintings. Oil painting, this phrase should be written in the first place. It showed exactly what are you selling. The main tag, the main keyword must be on the first place always in the title. It show not only you but search engines what you are selling now in this listing. It's so much important for you to be visible on Etsy. Second, Etsy current recommendation to write a short title of 40 characters. This affects on promotion too. It's so much important. Don't write so much long title. It is hard to understand for people and hard to understand for search engines. What is the mistake in the title? The painter tries to add different tags, keywords by meaning, but does not work with them in the text. And she didn't write the main keyword oil painting on the first place and in the title. Guys, if you have the same mistakes, please check these mistakes. If they are, you are under selling your products by your hands on Etsy. And if you don't understand nothing about Etsy SEO, about Etsy description, Etsy text, look on my ebooks, visit my Etsy shop, how to sell crafts. I write about it under this video with you, Svetlana Prokhorivska, YouTube channel, how to sell crafts. Bye guys!